Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Goel, and in this video we are going to solve then 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 9 by xy and 4 by x plus 9 by y is equals to 21 by xy, where x and y can't be equals to 0. And we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with the today's video solution. First, I'm taking this equation and consider it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So, I'm taking equation number first. So, 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 9 by xy. So, on the left side, I'll take the LCM. So, that is xy, and here 2y plus 3x is equals to 9 by xy. Now, both sides I'm going to multiply with xy. So we can eliminate the denominator part. So what is left? 3x plus 2y is equals to 9. And I am considering this as equation number 3. Now similarly, I am doing the same process with equation number 2. So first we'll take the LCM, that is xy. We can write it as 4y plus 9x is equals to 21 by xy. Now both sides I'm going to multiply with xy, and we eliminate the denominator with numerator, this xy. So what is left? 9x plus 4y is equals to 21. And this is our equation number 4. Now we are going to take the elimination method. For this method, we'll either do the constant of term same of x variable or y variable. So in equation number 3, that variable of x is, coefficient of x is 3. So, and equation number 4, the coefficient of x is 9. So to make it equal, in equation number 3, I'm going to multiply with 3. So after multiplying with 3, the equation becomes 9x plus 6y is equals to 9 times 3 is 27. Now this is our equation number 5. Now I am going to subtract 5 minus 4. From 5th equation, I am going to subtract the 4th one. So 9x plus 6y minus 9x plus 4y is equals to 27 minus 21. So 9x plus 6y minus 9x minus 4y is equals to 27 minus 21 is 6. And here plus 9x, eliminate the minus 9x, and 6y minus 4y is 2y is equals to 6. Both sides I'm going to divide with 2. So the value of y is 3. So y is equals to 3. Now we can put the value of y in any of the equations. So I'm going to put in equation number 3. So put y is equals to 3 in 3rd equation. So that is 3x plus 2y is equals to 9. So 3x plus 2 in place of y, I'll write 3 is equals to 9. So 3x plus 6 is equals to 9. So 3x is equals to 9 minus 6. 3x is equals to 3. And I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So x is equals to 1. So the value of x is 1, whereas y is 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.